Here's how to use saved audio on your Instagram story. Now, if you're on Instagram and you wanted to publish a story, but you wanted to use audio or a song that you previously saved, maybe from a reel, I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Instagram app here and tap on Reels at the bottom right. Now, you'll be able to see any of these reels have audio or song at the very bottom left. Now, if you swipe down, you'll be able to see some of them have an actual song. Some of them are just original audio, basically if there's audio from that specific video that they took. You can tap on the song at the bottom left here, and you can see just like that, it says basically this song, Summer. And I can hit the save button at the top right, that little bookmark icon. You'll see the line going up and to the right, the arrow indicates that this is a trending song. Now let's go back home here and we'll tap on the little story at the top left, the little plus. And on here, let's say we just open up camera, or we'll just pop in a photo. Let's say this one. And now once we're on here, you can see the sticker at the top center. Let's tap on that and you'll be able to tap on music here. Or if you already have it, you can see right next to the sticker is the music icon. I can tap on it and you'll see right under search music is saved. I can tap on saved and there is that song Summer. I can just tap on it to add it. Now, keep in mind, I can choose to have basically the title or the lyrics or just the music. And I can also scrub it back and forth to choose a specific time that I want to start. It has sort of suggested starting points for the music. Now, when you're ready to go, you can just hit the done button and then the share button at the bottom right. And just like that, you can share this specific story with the audio or song that you previously saved. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you used to have any questions. Thanks, guys.